How to get sturdy Shedinja Pokémon Emerald only way. Most people get this wrong, but obtaining a sturdy Shedinja in Pokémon Emerald requires a specific strategy. You won't believe how precise you need to be to get it with the sturdy ability intact. First, you need a Nincada at level 20. Ensure your party has an open slot and an empty Pokeball in your bag. When Nincada evolves into Ninjask, a Shedinja will appear in the empty slot automatically. Next, check the ability. Normally, Shedinja has Wonder Guard, but to get sturdy, you must trade for or use an ability-changing item available in later versions or through specific hacks in Emerald. Make sure the game version supports this adjustment safely. Level up carefully. Shedinja only has one hip, so avoid unnecessary battles until it's ready for training or use. Equip items to protect it, like berries or shields, to maximize effectiveness. In conclusion, the only way to get a sturdy Shedinja in Pokémon Emerald involves evolving Nincada with an open party slot, ensuring proper items, and carefully managing abilities. Patience and precise steps make this rare Pokémon a strategic asset in your team.